All right, we got a prime edge off-road Caravan today for a diesel heater. Big beast, so putting a 5 kilowatt in. I've dropped the fuel tank into the front locker there. Won't bother opening it, but often that's a good place for them. If we go underneath, you can see all the goodies dropped out there with a exhaust, air intake, and the fuel pump and filter running through there. And then if we head inside, nice funky club lounge there, through the bathroom area, down to the bed, and she's in there. Tight fit, but in between all the beams and bits and pieces, she works. There you go, today's.